All right, here's everything you need to know about a bebot. The first thing is on the bottom, there are two switches down here. One is an on-off switch that turns the bebot on and off. The other one down here is a sound switch that turns the sound on or off. I turned my bebot on and I turned my sound on. So the bebot is on with the sound on. The next thing we need to know about is these directional arrows. Now these directional arrows move the bebot. The forward and backward ones make the bebot move one forward or one backward for each time it's hit. The left and right arrows do not make the bebot go left and do not make the bebot go right, but those left and right arrows make the bebot rotate or turn this far. That's called 90 degrees. So if I hit the left arrow, that is going to cause the bebot to rotate to the left 90 degrees. If I hit the right arrow, it is going to make the bebot rotate to the right 90 degrees. So for every time I hit those arrows, it makes it rotate either to the left 90 degrees or to the right 90 degrees. The other thing we need to know about is the go button. So the go button is what makes the bebot start to move. So I use the arrows here to program my bebot. I'm just going to make my bebot go forward 2 spaces. Then I'm going to have him turn to the left and go 1 space. So 1, 2, turn to the left and go forward 1 space. So I programmed this bebot with that code. To make him go, I hit the go button. And he will end up right there. The next thing we need to know about is the delete button. So this X right here deletes all the previous code. So anytime someone hands you a bebot, the first thing you should do with it is hit the X. This way, all the code's cleared and everything you put into it is what that bebot will do. Now the last button on here is the one that we really don't need to worry about, that we really don't need to use. It is this pause button right here. And all that pause does is it commands the bebot to pause in its directions. So if I hit forward, pause, 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 it's going to go forward and pause, stop right there 3 times, and then it'll go forward 1 more time. So let's see how that works. So go. So it went forward, it paused, it paused, it paused, and then it went forward. So that pause button just makes the bebot do nothing for about 1 second. And the last thing that we need to know is that the go button also stops the bebot code. Let's say I accidentally program my bebot. I'm going to go forward, 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 which is going to put me off course, and with some other code after that. But I know that I messed up, so we'll hit go, and I can see that I ran off the course. I can grab it. If I hit go, that will stop my code from continuing. I can hit X, and that code will be cleared. So I'm just going to do one thing here. I'm going to have my bebot do a loop around my map. So it would be forward, forward, make sure my code's cleared, forward, forward. Then I'm going to turn 90 degrees to the left, so turn left, forward, forward, 2 more forwards, gets me to there. And then I'm going to turn to the left again, forward, forward, puts me to here, turn to the left, forward, forward. So when I hit go, my bebot should go around this mat. All right, so go. And perfect. Our bebot went one lap right around. So remember, your directional keys, forward and backward, makes the bebot go forward one space or backward one space. The left and the right make it rotate 90 degrees to the left or rotate 90 degrees to the right. Go makes your bebot go after you've put in the directional code, and it will also pause. It'll also stop your bebot after it has started. Make sure anytime someone hands you a bebot that you hit the X to delete all the code, or anytime that you need to delete the code, hit the X to delete the code. Pause button, we really don't need to worry about. All right, good luck with these bebots.